There are so many ways that you can screenshot on your laptop. It depends on the window operating system you are using. But in this video, I will show you 3 ways you can screenshot on your Windows PC. Let's go. So the number one way now is using Window plus Shift plus S. When you do this, it automatically prompts a screenshot that will come out like this, where you can select it to select some parts, or you can select this one to take a full screenshot. So let's assume I want full screenshot. So I click on this now, take a full screenshot of this. You can see it here, and when it open up in your snippet, make it full, and you see the picture here. So I can easily save it on my laptop. So let's assume I just save it. You can rename it and save it here. Simple. That is one way. Another way is that, let us I'm still on this website. You can easily press window key and then print screen. Print screen is on the keyboard. When you do that, you see that it's dim. That shows that it has screen. So this one automatically save into your file, where you can see that when you go to your file, locate your pictures, and you see a screenshot there. So inside the screenshot folder, you can see the picture. Screenshot I just take is here. Simple, this is it. So the last way is using a software called Snipping Tool. So on your window, just press window key, search Snipping, S-I-P. So it will come out, Snipping Tools, click on it. So anywhere you are, it comes out like this. Let's assume I'm on YouTube now, and then I want to screenshot. I will just click on the Snipping Tools, and then you see it, click on New. It's come out where you want to select. You want to select all, or you want to full. Let us know. I want just this part. I can click on it and select it. Just the video part. So this automatically come out like this. And the same way, make it full, and you can easily save it by click here to save, and save to your laptop. Simple. Yes, I hope you find this interesting. Follow me, like my video. If you're on YouTube, subscribe. Bye bye.